Are you someone who's suffering from low libido, fatigue, not feeling yourself, feeling like you just don't have the muscle strength like you're normally used to? These are normal things that come with aging, and I'm telling you, it is not fun. I'm Dr. Kimberly Evans. I am certified, and we have a platinum practice with BioT. We believe in hormone therapy and all that it has to offer. We do multiple remedies such as, hormone replacement therapy with creams. We do injection therapy, but one of our most popular is actually the BioT pellet. So I just want to let you know this is a solution for you that you do not have to be afraid of. It's super duper easy to do. It can be very life changing in terms of getting things back. And, if you're someone who, recently use one of the weight loss medications or doing the peptide therapy and you just really feel like you're missing something, the importance to me, one of the basics of longevity has to do a lot with muscle strength. And, as you age, you just don't want to be skinny and weak. You really want to be slender and strong. That's really like one of the keys to aging. So I'm here to show you what the hormone pelleting process is like, just so that you don't have to be nervous or anything like that, okay? So the pelleting process is super duper easy. Today we're actually doing a female. I do guys too. Men, they get much higher doses. And can you see what's in these pellets? And the thing with the pellets, they're nice and little. They're very, very dose dependent. So the important thing I want you to realize is that in optimizing your hormones, we will do lab work to see what are you at, what should you be at, and we actually help you achieve those goals here. And it's customized for every person, so that every person doesn't get the same dose. I have some ladies, they just like to have it higher because they like to have that feeling of energy, things like that. Versus I have some ladies just kind of like it low and steady. So really, it's just really up to you about how you decide that you want it to be. So let me go ahead and get started with this pelleting process. So I've already numbed our patient with a little bit of lidocaine, okay? So again, we've already numbed her. I'm going to just show you how easy it is to actually place these pellets, okay? So after numbing her, all I do simply is I'm going to make an incision. You're going to feel me touch. Do you feel anything sharp?
No.
Okay, awesome. So I've made an incision already. And then after making those incisions, I have a little device here that will actually place these pellets. And again, these are very customized for this particular patient, okay? You doing okay?
Yeah.
Awesome. So it's just nice, steady placement here. Very good. And then I'm going to drop these little friends in here. I've had a lot of ladies who, as they age, they wish they had the pellets, before, making big moves in life. And that has to do with everything from just being calm with people, helping out with hot flashes, sleeping better, just feeling overall better about themselves. The pellets are in place now. Okay. So all I'm going to do now is to actually place my bandages on here. These bandages actually stay in place for about 3 days. And then everything comes off on day 3 for a lot of people, okay? And over the course of a couple weeks, your hormones will rise. You'll start to feel the goodness that it has to offer. Pellets for ladies last about 3 to 4 months. For guys, they last 4 to 6 months. So it's just important to know that guide doses are higher because they actually last a lot longer. So after we place these, people start to feel the difference. We can certainly adjust accordingly to what someone's needs may be. Again, it's highly customizable for you, and it's really a game changer. And I think this is like the standalone thing when it comes to where do you want to start your journey. So whether it's weight loss, whether it is just getting healthier, getting stronger. We have patients that I've pelleted as young as mid-20s up into their 70s and 80s. So really, we're here to make a difference in your life and just make you feel amazing and awesome. So visit us today to figure out if this is the right therapy for you. www.sugarlandmedspa.com. Thank you.